Okay, so we're driving back home, and about...
No, we're not. We're going to the next door.
Okay, well, we're going to the next door, but we're going back towards our house, and we were going towards the store about 15 minutes ago when the snowplow was out, and these are the roads after the plow in 15 minutes worth of time. So it's actually coming down pretty good.
Doesn't seem like it's coming down that hard.
I mean, it doesn't really seem like it's coming down that hard, but it's just a lot of little flakes that are piling up pretty quick. I don't think that they can keep up with the roads. So this is going to be interesting. I don't know why we're driving around still, but we're kind of on a mission to go get some sleds because we have 5 kids, all boys, lived in Ohio our whole lives, and we don't even have sleds. So we're hoping to take them out tomorrow after it calms down a little and take them sled riding. But I just want to show you guys the roads after being plowed probably multiple times. It'll be interesting to see what my driveway looks like after we've shoveled it twice and salted it twice. So this is the Snowstorm, and we've got like a long time to go yet. It's supposed to go all the way till tomorrow, I think, like tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. I'm not too sure. I forget actually. Oh gosh, this is scary. But I'm just gonna keep on posting videos every couple of minutes or every half hour or hour or whatever, just to show you guys the snow so that you guys can be in the snowstorm with us. All right.